Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your name on a Jetstar Flight Online. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, you have deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change the name on Jetstar Flight Online. So first of all, you need to go and click on manage booking, which is here as you can see. Then you need to enter your booking reference and last name and search your flight. I don't have a flight at the moment, but when you have one, it will be here. Then select the option to update name, enter the new passenger name and follow the prompts to confirm the changes. Be aware that there may be a fee for changing the name on your booking. If your booking was made through a travel agent, you may need to contact the travel agent directly to make the name change, and you cannot do it alone, so just go and connect him. That may be the case. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.